Hello and welcome to Judy Cooking 360. So today we're making chicken fajitas. They're always good for lunch. So I'm putting like a tablespoon of meat seasoning. Always put the meat seasoning of your choice. I have cayenne pepper, put a half a teaspoon, paprika, about a teaspoon, onion powder, a teaspoon, garlic powder, a teaspoon, white pepper, a half a teaspoon, because it really picks up on the cayenne pepper. Now this is Italian seasoning, and I'm gonna put, maybe not quite a teaspoon, but just enough to season it up and get it tasty. Okay. Alrighty. Here we go. Now this is so easy, guys. This doesn't take long at all. Put this on here. We're gonna start our chicken first. Get our chicken going. And then we're gonna do our vegetables. So this is how they do it in the restaurant. They put the chicken by itself and then the vegetables by itself. And then they bring the two together. Need to be fully heated. This is a medium-sized onion. And this, half of a green bell pepper and half of a red bell pepper. That's it. Put these just until the onions are translucent and the bell peppers are cooked through. Now you don't want them soggy. Just remember that part. I'm just going to sprinkle a little Italian seasoning over it, just to pick it up. Because remember, the chicken has all the seasoning on there already. And just a quarter teaspoon of meat seasoning. And if you notice, I don't use a lot of salt in my food. I usually use a meat seasoning. So in the meantime, I'm going to make a little guacamole. This is going to be so easy. No fuss guacamole. See, I have my avocados. I'm just going to crush them with a potato masher. Add my chicken to the vegetable. And bring this all together. As easy as that, because I use chicken tenders, so it makes it easy to cook and to be ready. So I'm mashing my potato up. I'm mashing my avocado up to put on top. When I put it together, I'm just going to put a little meat seasoning on here, a half a teaspoon, and a little onion powder. That's it. And you would be surprised how delicious this is. Okay. So here I have my tortilla that I warmed up, and I'm gonna put just one piece of chicken for now. Put your onions and bell pepper in. And then we're just gonna add this on top. Your avocados on top. There. Let's see if it holds on here. There we go. And there you have it. Your chicken fajitas. Doesn't that look good, guys? Wait till I bite into it. Thanks for watching Judy Cooking 360. See you guys next time.